मैडम
Yes.
आप चलो करिए बताइए.
A very good evening to all of you, respected Director Sir, Dr. Sujay Sen, Deans, Naina, and my faculty colleagues. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to IIM Mumbai for this important and timely program on AI-led experience design. According to the World Economic Forum Future of Jobs Report 2025, UX designers are among the top 10 fastest growing roles through 2030. And interestingly, at number 3 are AI and machine learning specialists. When you integrate AI with experience design, you position yourself in the most future-proof role imaginable. Organizations today are not just looking for professionals who can create aesthetically pleasing screens. They are seeking leaders who can design systems that are adaptive, predictive, trustworthy, and deeply human. In this program, we will explore how AI is reshaping experience design and how you can position yourselves at one of the most exciting and future-ready career frontiers. Once again, I warmly welcome each one of you. I wish you an enriching, thought-provoking, and transformative learning experience. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor, for setting the tone of today's event. To share the vision and context for this program, I now invite Professor Shirish Sangle, the Program Chair for PGPEX in AI-led Experience Design, to deliver the opening remarks.
Thank you, Tara. Respected Director, Ms. Naina, Dr. Sujay, Naina, all others from LTM team, and of course, Shrimoy, our own this thing, my colleagues, and dear participants from LTM. First of all, I would like to congratulate you on LTM choosing you for this particular program, which is called as the PGPEX in AI-led Experience Design at IIM Mumbai. I would be covering basically three important aspects. First of all, would very briefly explain you why AI-led Experience Design program, then of course why IIM Mumbai, and what is in it for you in this particular program. So as all of you know that, post-COVID, we all got used to, the AI, especially, the online programs and those kind of things. And the artificial intelligence is actually, exceeded the traditional Moore's law. That means the AI capability and the computing power is doubling or tripling, in fact, annually, which was earlier, it was doubling maybe in 2 years' time. And because now every company will have possibly access to the AI technologies, so therefore AI technology alone may not be able to provide you the sources of competitive advantage which was earlier there. So perhaps the sources of competitive advantage will now come what kind of an experience you are giving it to your customers, to your users. And that is what is the focus of this particular program. AI technologies perhaps can provide you automation, can provide you personal, hyper personalization and data, analytics capabilities. But it is the human-centered design experience will perhaps, drive competitive advantage. That is what is the focus. I would say that why IIM Mumbai? First of all, I would say that, IIM Mumbai has a strong background in, artificial intelligence and data analytics. I think in a very conservative figure, if I give at least 20, which is plenty, 20 of my colleagues are actually working in this area, about artificial intelligence, including my director also. And I think more important is we are neighbors. I think we share, I think more than 60 years of relationship, IIM Mumbai and L&T. And, incidentally, both of them have come into new avatar. I remember when I first interacted, with Sujay and Dr. Kavin Sharma, way back in the early 2000, it was L&T Infotech, then it became LTI, then it became LTI Mindtree, and now it is LT. So I witnessed the entire journey. So that is something, and we were also in ET, and now we have become IIM, right? So that is one thing. So I think what I would say that why IIM Mumbai is because we are neighbors and we understand each other very well. I think personally, I think relationship more than about 25 years now with Sujay and his group. So that's a fantastic relationship. That's the reason we would do. What is in it for you in this particular program? So it's a blended program online. Mostly it is online, but there will be 2 immersions at the campus. So you would actually live the life of a student, in the IIM campus. So that is something which is very important. You will also have access to the knowledge resources available at the IIM Mumbai. That means you will be able to remotely access the libraries, and we have an amazing library. You will also get a lot of pre-reads from the latest, journals. That is what is the teaching pedagogy. The courses will be taught by not only the IIM faculty but also by the industry personnel, and that is what is the hallmark of this particular program. We generally, whatever programs we float, almost I would say that 30% to 25% to 35% of the courses are actually taught by industry people. So that is one thing. So we are maintaining that tradition, and many of these courses will be offered by the industry giants. Another important thing is that you will also become a proud alum of, IIM Mumbai. You will also be getting a very exciting learning ecosystem. You will be able to network with the faculty of IIM Mumbai, the faculty from the industry. So there is a lot of, things for you to learn when you come here and when you're online learning. I know Saturday, Sundays will be spent on the, learning online, which is of course very taxing, but that is what, is we proposed, and you have accepted that. So once again, very happy learning, and congratulations once again. And welcome to IIM Mumbai campus.
Thank you, sir, for outlining the vision behind this initiative. May I now request Professor Kumar AS, Chairperson EPGP, to address the guest.
Good afternoon, all. It's a really great experience to have all of you here. Respected director and deans and my colleagues, as well as the people from LIT, welcome to the campus. And with all the students who is going to be part of our family, welcome to our family, actually. As Professor Shirish has mentioned, any business to be performed in the business world, you should have a competitive advantage. What exactly is providing that competitive advantage is basically you're trying to exploit the opportunities and meet the threats in the market. And how you'll be going to do it is from your strength and addressing your weakness. And now in the world, AI is the thing which is going to differentiate your resources and how well you're going to make use of it. So in management, one of the basic or important subject is strategic management. It's one of the skills which you're going to have. You're going to create the strategy for your company to create that value to your customers. And these days, all the products, you cannot have a unique products. Even if Apple is actually struggling to have what exactly the uniqueness in the product, but it's all about the experience which you're having. How to create that kind of a valuable experience to create the value to your customer. So here comes the important. You are not going to assess what exactly this is the existing market. You are going to predict what exactly the market needs, your customers need. And there lies the importance of the artificial intelligence. We are trying to understand what exactly our customers need. Suppose if you're giving a prompt to any the AI-enabled machines, we're getting the results out of it. If you are able to be satisfied, and how well you are satisfied, it basically creates the consumer surplus. The more surplus you are able to create with your customers is going to create more value in the minds of the customers. So that exactly which you are going to do that. And here we are going to bring that very good blend. You are very good in technology. We are very good in management. We are going to blend this to bring the best value out of you. So see, all the students who is going to be part of this, we actually wanted to gear up. You're going to get the best learning experience which you cannot even imagine. So make use of it. And at the end of the day, see, I cannot create leaders. It's as simple as that. We have to be a leader, but a leader who is know the intricacies of AI, who's going to be a technically expert in AI, is going to make the best leader. who can feel the pulse of your customers and will be able to give the kind of experience any customer is dream of. So that's what it is going to have. All the best to all of you, and make use of this learning experience. And yes, looking forward to meet you in the classes whenever I get the opportunity. All the best. Thank you, Vivek.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. I now invite Professor Vivek Khanzode, Dean Academics, to share his thoughts and perspective.
Respected Director Sir, LTI team, my faculty colleagues, and student participants of this program, a very good afternoon to all of you. I especially congratulate the participants who will be part of this first cohort of a very uniquely designed program. We will be, in fact, setting the pathway for more such programs in the future, where you'll be coming up with very unique competencies, and all that. The credit goes to the joint team, which has relentlessly worked for past several months. I not only recall the day on which we signed the MOU, but even quite a few months before that, when Professor Shirish and I had an initial discussion with Director Sir, where this program was conceptualized after an initial discussion with you people. And from that point, the team has worked for a good amount of time, detailed it to a great extent, and taken every care that you as the participants will have a very unique learning experience. Professor Shirish told about the structure of the program and the pedagogical approach, the learning design behind that. While he mentioned about the immersion, which is part of the program, I would like to add that it's not only the immersion, but beyond that also, whenever you are in Mumbai, if you are from different locations, you travel to Mumbai, and you can always drop into our campus. It's most welcome. All of you, we will be glad to meet and interact with you all beyond the design immersion windows of the program, because those in-person interactions always add the value to the overall experience on both the sides. And that is why, although the program is primarily happening in online mode, we always call it as a blended program, where the in-person presence on campus is equally important to the overall program design. We have a solid admin team which will be managing the program, and at frontline you'll have a program manager, and then all of us are there to take care of any of your needs, right from the initial induction where you will be onboarded, and take you through the complete course scheduling, evaluation, and the complete experience till the convocation, and even beyond that. So we are always there to, just a call away. Whenever you have any issues, please feel free to approach us, and we'll resolve any of the issues that you come across. Again, congratulations to all of you, and have a great learning experience ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your insights and support for the program. To understand the industry relevance, program design, and the evolving landscape of AI-led experience, I now invite Dr. Sujay Sen, EVP and Global Head Interactive LTM, to present the technical overview and industry context.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Director Sir, and everybody for being here. I think this is a very a moment that we've been all waiting for. I think we've been designing this course for quite some time, right? And it's running into almost months and years almost. But I think it's great timing, because whatever you're reading from the media and how quickly AI is evolving, I just feel like that this is a great time, because as we start doing a lot of technical work through the machine, I think what we can't do through the machine becomes a lot more important, and that defines what's the human intervention, right? And design, I think, is one of them. Well, the machine can design, given a choice, but I think it has to be a combination of human and machine. So this course really brings the human element and the AI element together for designing, and I think this is going to be a very critical skill going forward. And I love the reason that we being a neighbor, and being worked for 25 years, and I also heard the word family. So I think family, neighbor, 25 years. I think there was no other choice than to do this with you. Just my basic research tells me that a course like this today does not exist in the country, and we will, from our side, bring the best of people, from our clients, from our practitioners, to teach the program. While for the first batch, we've picked 25 people from our unit. Our unit is about 8,000 people. Whole LTI Mindtree is about 85,000. But with help of our HR and training teams, Chetana, who's our CHRO, with everybody's help, we've been able to pick 25 of our brightest people who've logged in. And I think it'll be a tremendous learning for all of us as we kind of design this course and go through this course almost like a pilot. And then as the years progress, we open this up to the country. And I think there's so many people who will benefit from this course. Because I think this probably is one of the, if you make a list of top 10 skills that are required in this age, working with the machine to design things is going to be very important. So therefore, I think, that's my industry context. And I'm extremely excited. And thank you for the opportunity to work with all of you to design the course, and then looking forward to your execution. And I think this is just the beginning. We've spoken about so many other things that we can do together. But I think while we've been working on courses, I think this is the first time we are doing such a large program together. So I think that itself is very good. So thank you again. Thank you to everyone, and all the best to all the students and fellow colleagues.
Thank you, sir, for that insightful industry perspective. We now move to the most important segment of the ceremony. I request Professor Manoj Tiwari, Director, IIM Mumbai, to address the gathering.
First of all, I extend my sincere and heartfelt welcome to all the participants who have given their consent and shown their interest to join such a futuristic program called AI-led experience design. And I, based on some of my experience in the past, I can say you are going to ahead of the curve. There's so many people who are working in the similar organizations, but have some, broad idea about the AI and its capability, but in a structured manner, how it is going to be affecting the ongoing work, what are the advantage one can take out from different form of AI. Because I recall in the history, most fastest growing technology is the AI. Because if you compare cycle of 8 years, you can find no technology where internet, computer, laptop, anything else, which were quite fast earlier as far as life cycle is concerned. But no one attained the speed with which this AI-led developments took place in the world. I recall 2017, Badwani developed the algorithm for the generative AI. And now you see, within 8 years, almost you are now watching agentic AI and its different form, and almost the kind of reforms and processes which are being monitored by the agentic AI, they are phenomenal. So this is only possible because of the ever growing nature of this technology, and still not me but many of the even experts, they are unable to predict what is going to happen in the next few years. There is even a strong fear among the people that this AI-led things based on the data, and once if somebody start using it, then through the different immersive tools, our data will be lost. And once the data will be lost, data will go in the wrong hand, then there will be some problem, blackmailing or tamasa will take place. So I can use, it is not only your concern, but those who are researching, they are also quite intelligent. So they now develop and also in the close to almost implementation in different form, how the machine learning, which is known for learning from the data, pattern, trends. Now there is another term called unlearning from the machine learning. Means what has been learned, now how the partitioning approach can be applied to create the data partition in such a manner that whatever has been learned cannot be known and cannot be again transferred to the somebody else actually in the same form of the system. So unlearning done by the machine learning is also going to be one of the essential area which is going fast. And as you can see, that foreign organizations where people are working, maybe financial services, healthcare, logistics, or even manufacturing, or repair maintenance, MRO industries, anywhere you go, there is a big claim that AI is playing the role of differentiator. And in all the industry, they are trying their best. Still, there is a lot of skeptic going on. Somebody says that 61% failure of the AI project. Somebody says that only 30% success rate is there. But I can say that the organizational lethargy, organizational, bulk, they are also to be taken into account while implementing the newer things. So you can say smarter organizations, smarter one, those who are involved in algorithm trading, those who are involved in the other financial exercise, like one of the project that we were part of that recently, it was all the public-private partnership, where the concessionaires agreement, which was each one of at least 500, 400 pages. This was analyzed in the time of 5-6 minutes because a large language model was created and all the 3 documents were entered, and then different queries and prompts have been given. Based on that, it was giving perfect answer that was checked and checked and checked many times. Whatever answer is coming about the different questions that have been posed, whether their answer is right or wrong. So we found that most of the time, almost 99.9%, the answer was correct actually. So idea is this, many of the things are improving, experiments are going on, and particularly some very important component like demand forecasting, prediction methods, knowing that how the disaster and how the some sort of disturbances are going to come through intervention of either failure of the interfaces or like logging into by some unknown component like malwares, etc. That is called cybersecurity issues. They are all going to be have a new avatar that we refer to as responsible AI or responsive AI, where everyone will say, okay, there is some trend, but we are going to pursue only safe and responsible AI applications for realizing the different benefits in the different form of pure functionalities. And now question is that when we have ChatGPT, when you have Gemini, when you have many other tailor-made large language model for your company, then question is, what is your job? There is a constant fear in the people कि AI आ जाने से नौकरी खत्म हो जाए. So I have seen in my life, नौकरी खत्म नहीं होती है, नौकरी का रूप बदलता है. I think if you count, sir, after the advent of all these, web-based technologies, number of people who got job in the IT and analytics is much more than what it was earlier. So far with changing, call center people have been now working as a delivery boy. Many of them have one farm or another farm skill sets are there. Those who are repairing earlier basic computers and other things, now they are involved in data centers. So nature of the job is changing, but people are there without any problem. So here also, some of the repetitive kind of things, some of the highly memory-oriented things will not exist. Whereas many of the new idea will come up, creative things, bothering about new ideas, bothering about how you are going to find a trend and pattern, and those based on those pattern, what are the more beneficial things can be derived, or even you are doing, but where is the verification? So many of people will realize that okay, the hallucination component of the large language model or generative AI or agentic AI, This has been thoroughly checked and verified and stamped. Yes, we are responsive. We have verified. We have tested ethical and all such things which are normally connected with them. They need to be proved and tested. So we require people for that purpose also. And I was hearing a report recently published last week, Nature's article, where we found that many of the biotech newer drug development that has taken place in the world, they have been emanated from the Chinese research. Reason being very simple. Many molecules which were difficult to achieve after several years of experimentation. Now with the generative AI, several forms of very new, and almost unknown products are also coming out. The question is that now AI, the different logic and different kind of critical analysis tools to check what are these molecules are coming up. They are having right combination for certain kind of health related issues, or they are just only at another, like thousands of the products are coming up, they are one among them. So based on the testing and clinical trials, reduction of the duration, the quick launching of the many of the protein products, many of the enzyme products, many of the drugs, many of the vaccines kind of products, they have been launched by the many of the firms. And that is why some of the giants in the area of pharmaceuticals, they are feeling that these kind of developments, they may create a problem. You will be happy to know, friends, the last year's Nobel Prize in the medicine has been given to a person working in Google Mind Tree. Just chemistry Nobel Prize. Just imagine what the chemistry had to do with Google Mind actually. But because of algorithm development, because of the testing of the product, because of the several combinations they have tried. So this feature is coming up, and many other which may help you in analysis, which may help you in prediction, which may help you in establishing the corrections that were wrong being done in the past so many years. And of course, the verification, content generation, innovative ideas, and doing the work in the best possible manner, and also to see that how in a more comfortable manner with deeper involvement of the mind and body can be the order of the day in days to come. So my friends, I am not talking tall. I am on the very firmly established in the ground, and based on that, telling you ground reality that please believe me, this technology is going to stay, and you should as early as possible have some mastery over it and try your best to take advantage over others, so that not only this company, anywhere else you go, your worth will keep on increasing. And that is the way it happens with most of the intellectuals. Several things we were doing earlier in one way, now doing in another way, because of the benefit and profit as well as advantage associated with doing the new ways of business. So with this note, I don't want to waste your too much time here, and hoping that I get another chance by Shirish ji and team to cover some of the portions, at least few lectures for you, particularly that how we are using this agentic AI in the warehouse management. We have developed a path, like a least path network for delivering the food items by e-commerce companies using agentic AI. We have also built up a model which deals with this cement company that have the 4,100 stockists, correct, at different places. So how they can decide the route of distribution of their cement to retailers actually using a generative AI. So like this, we are also trying to come out of with some of the applications which also will give you the code and everything, because now code is not a problem, because people say that they say what is great in the code. This was there earlier, but this generative AI has made really not great in the code, but verification of code is still a challenge, correct? So with this note, once again, I thanking you and also congratulating you for coming to this platform. Let me say one thing. I met several companies, and we know very well everybody is aspiring to become innovative and novel in launching newer things. But the speed and commitment, which now it is called LTM, earlier is L&T Mindtree, has shown, is unparalleled. Because under the leadership of this company and the very persistent effort made by Dr. Sujay ji, Chetana Patnaik ji, and also the persons who came from UK to sign our MOU at that time. CEO. This shows that ना sir आपके अंदर में कुछ burning desire है, and those who are always having burning desire, only they will be able to get a strong motivation to be innovative, to be very forefront in adopting and absorbing the newer development. So we can say, sir, we are very much thankful to have been in your company, and particularly our faculty, Shirish ji, Madam Purnima. They are constantly in touch with you, and they are also trying to see that this day of inauguration should come as early as possible, so that you can claim you have trained so many persons who are well now works with the AI-led experience design and their experience in their work profile. And we should be happy that such a powerful body having presence in almost so many countries with large pool of officers. We are also partnering with them to carry out this new development in the decision-making tool or operational aspects, or even the making the process more simpler and easy by the AI-led practices. Thank you very much, friends.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your visionary leadership and guidance. We will now have a brief introduction of the participants of the first batch of PGPEX in AI-led experience design. I request the participants to introduce themselves briefly. We can start with Brajesh.
आप नाम बताइए, बोलिए.
Hi everyone, thank you so much. It's really, I'm very excited to be part of this. So, I have been with LTM Entry since 4 years. My background in user experience designing, and I know this, you know, this course which is design. I've already seen this 1 year before in the news, and I've reached out to Nana and Savvy for to getting into it. And thanks a lot. It's a dream come true. And yeah, that's it. And looking forward to talk you more individually. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Brajesh. Atul Kumar Singh.
Hello everyone, hope I am audible. My name is Atul and I am from Noida location. I am working with LTI since 2021 and I'm very hopeful for this course and looking forward to meet every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Atul. Ashish Ashok.
Yep. My name is Ashish. It's been 4 years with LTM. It's a great opportunity for me and I look forward to it. I mostly work into the backend technologies like .NET and Angular, but with this course, I can see growing myself into different areas where I could leverage AI to a huge extent and try to get more out of it. I deeply appreciate the LTM team. Like they have considered me and given me the opportunity to be a part of this very helpful engagement. And yeah, that's it.
Ronika.
Hello everyone, I'm Ronika. So I've been with LTM for last 5 years and I work as functional consultant where, for different retail clients we design customer portals. So I'm sure this design course would be very helpful to help me get that perspective and make use of new age technologies. And I would like to thank LTM for this opportunity. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Samir.
Samir, you're on mute.
Yes, Samir, you're on mute.
Hello, I'm audible now?
Yes, yes.
Sorry for that. Hi everyone. Good evening everyone. I am Samir Bukkar. I have overall 18 years of IT industry experience working with LTM from last 7 years. I am working as a technical architect. I have a background of mobile application development, low-code platform as an architect, and looking forward to this excited journey of this program. Thanks everyone.
Sandhya.
Hello everyone. I hope I'm audible. Good evening, everybody. So myself, Sandhya, I have been with LTIM for around now 3.5 years, and my total IT experience is around 9 years. And I'm working as a full stack .NET developer. And currently I'm working as a run lead, and I'm grateful for the opportunity which has been provided by LTIM. I was looking forward for I was looking for an opportunity to proceed a management course, and I believe this would be a perfect choice. So yeah, thank you.
Shraddha.
Yeah, hi everyone. This is Shraddha. So I worked LTM entry as LTM as 4 years, around 4 years, 4.5 years. I worked as a full stack developer, and it's been great to work with all of you. Looking forward to join up and want to learn more on this program and all the opportunity. Want to explore all the opportunities. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Shatabdi Samantha. You're on mute.
Good evening to everyone. I'm Chetana, working at LTI. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to everyone. I'm Shatabdi Samantha, working with LTI Mindtree since last 6 years, and I'm working as a Scrum Master and Project Manager. I'm really excited to learn from all our professors, and I'm really excited to start this journey. Thank you, LTIM, for providing me this opportunity.
Thank you. Sonab Dubey.
A very good evening to everyone. Myself, Sonab. It has been 4.5 years working with LTM. I'm working as a functional architect and majorly consulting customers across various geographies into CRO space and overall designing. So, looking forward to this prestigious organization as well as all the professors where we can grow further. And thank you, LTM, Sujay. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you. Sudhananda Patnaik.
Hello, myself Sudhanand. I'm working with LTM from last 5.5 years, and I'm really excited to be a part of this program. And thank you for this opportunity. I'm from Kolkata location.
Thank you. Swapnil Borkar.
Hey, hello everyone. I'm Swapnil. I work as a CRM business consultant with LTM, and I'm based out of Pune. I'm looking forward to this program as opportunity to learn and grow. Thank you.
Vignesh.
Hello everyone, this is Vignesh from Chennai, and I've been with the LTM for the last 6 years, and it's been a privilege to listen such a great insights from such a great minds from the country, and very grateful to LTM for such a great initiative. So I'm so looking forward to this course because I have seen a from a developer perspective, but to get into this course and to enhance my strategic decision making and enhance customer experience. Pretty much excited to looking forward to this course. Thanks a lot, Alex.
Yogi Raj.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This side Yugras. I have overall about 13 years of experience and with LTM since 2022, working as a full stack developer. And from I think one last year, I was involving in AI trainings, all these things. So now I think with my technical expertise and the management of help from the IIM, that will be say, a boost to my career and will grow me at personal and professional level. So yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Shipra Priya.
Hi everyone, this is Shipra.
I have been with LTM for close to 5 years now, and I am associated with Salesforce practice. So I see that enrolling into this program would help me deepen my understanding on how AI can drive smarter business and technology decisions. So I'm just really looking forward to understand all the concepts and apply it in the real world environment. Thank you.
Olivia Biswas.
Hey, hi everyone. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I have been with LTM for the last 5.5 years now. I come from a digital experience background, working as a full stack developer, and looking forward to this course, as the leaders over here said, to feel the pulse of the customer and help them with the experience designing as well. And with whatever knowledge that I gain in this course, I bring in the advantages and help both the organizations, and help both of them to grow. So yeah, looking forward and very much excited to it, since I also have been pretty much closely working with generative AI as well on my projects. And yeah, I am also the project lead as well. So yeah, looking forward to work with you, learn with you all. Thank you.
Mukesh Pandey.
Hey everyone, this is Mukesh Pandey. I have overall 13 years of experience. I am with LTM around 5 years now, and definitely I'm looking forward to of this journey and just we can say involve all the amazing mind. Thank you very much.
Manavendra Panda.
Hello everyone, I'm Manavendra Panda. I have over 10 years of experience and have been associated with LTM for the last 4 years. I've been solving for businesses and strategies around sales, marketing, and service as the business areas. It feels great to be a part of this program because as we enter into the industrialization of AI era, so this program will help us or enable us to be a part of it. So I'm keen to know more about this program.
Thank you. Mohit.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Mohit, and I'm associated with LTM from last 4 years. And I would like to thank LTM for giving me this opportunity to associate with IIM. And it's like a dream come true for me. Yeah, looking forward to learn this and grow with you all. Thank you.
Okay. Janvi.
Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Janvi. I'm having a total 14 plus years of experience. I started with my career with mobile apps, web application, and hybrid apps development. Currently, I'm with LTM from almost more than 8 plus years. I like the flavor of AI along with the management and designing. So I'm looking forward to learn and implement the things. Yeah, thanks for LTM along with IIM Mumbai for this opportunity. Thank you.
Chandraprakash Shukla.
Hello everyone, good evening. I have been my name is Chandraprakash Shukla. I have been with LTM since almost 4 years, and I have total 10 plus years of experience. And yes, I am very excited to for this course, and thank you for the LTM and IIM for giving this opportunity. Thank you so much.
Ayan Mukhopadhyay.
Hello everyone, a very good evening. This is Ayan Mukhopadhyay. I'm from Kolkata, and I have around 10 years of experience in the IT industry and been working with LTM for last 4 years. So I primarily work as a FS full stack web application developer, mostly in JavaScript frameworks. So I have been using AI as a tool to do my day-to-day daily jobs. So I'm really excited and to learn on this path of getting to learn the business aspect of AI, and very, very thankful for this opportunity given to me by LTM. So excited to start the journey. Thank you.
Anil Kumar.
Yeah. Hi, respected directors, sir. As like I will follow and our professors and all my dear friends. Hello to everyone. So myself Anil Kumar. I am from Pune location, and I have been working with this as a UI architect from last starting my journey from developer to as a 15 years of experience. And yeah, looking forward for stepping up in this customer experience, how from a UX person to and how the business is changing with the Gen AI. Yeah, thank you for giving this opportunity.
Jaydeep.
Hello everyone, my name is Yajib Tangsai. I'm based out of Nagpur. So in LTM, I have close to around more than 3.5 years of experience in LTM. And from IT industry, I have more than 8 years of experience. So I basically come from BA and consulting background. And firstly, I would like to thank so much to LTM and IIM Mumbai for giving me this opportunity. And I look forward to learn more from the best of the industry's experts. And again, thank you so much.
Thank you. Rahul Srivastava.
Yeah, hi, good evening, everyone. This is Rahul Shrivastava. I have total 13 plus years of experience, out of that 9 years with LTM, and I based out of Pune. And yeah, I'm looking forward for this great opportunity. Thank you, LTM and IIM team, to provide me this opportunity. Thank you.
So we are done with the participants' introduction.
Yeah, he's almost here. MM is almost here.
I'm left.
He went into the new. Oh, okay. There's a new.
Yeah. So I'm Shafali. I am from Pune. So I wanted to thank LTM and the entire IIM Mumbai team for enabling us with this great opportunity. Have been part with LTM since 13 years now. Have been working as a Salesforce consultant, leveraging my knowledge in the retail domain. Until date, have seen this industry from a technological angle till date, but excited to learn the management angle with the AI topic to it. So really excited. Thank you.
Thank you. Let me know if I had missed anyone. Okay, so we have covered. If anybody wants to share from your side, like yeah.
Want to speak?
I'll do the vote of thanks, but I think before I do that, I want to thank Professor Shirish and Purnima ma'am for helping shape this program. I think the way that it has been thoughtfully designed, I'm sure everybody who's participating will benefit. Sujay mentioned, we've done our research to see if there is anything outside that actually aligns anywhere close to what we are learning, right? And there isn't any. So thank you for that. And thank you everyone for your participation. I think the students are very excited and look forward to learning from the masters themselves. So thank you.
Sarika, you want to say?
So I've worked very closely with Nena and team. I come from the OD team, the organizational development team. So it was a great experience working for a program which is first of its kind, very unique to the industry. We spent and had a couple of conversations with Professor Purnima and Professor Shirish, so it was quite insightful discussions as well. Thoroughly enjoyed the process and really excited and looking forward to how this pilot batch shapes up, because it's first of its kind. So all of us are super excited to see how we learn new things and how do we set this batch as a primary and a foundation batch for us, and there will be more to come.
Yeah, and I also want to, sir, definitely we will have you teach some of these people, for agentic, but we would also like to invite you to our studio. So when you had come for signing the MOU, we had not set up the studio that time. Last 7 months, we have a studio in Powai office, and this has become a state-of-the-art studio. So, a lot of our chief marketing officer clients, a lot of our, film directors, because we are also getting into movie making using generative AI. Sure. Yes. So, we had a lot of our, directors like Shekhar Kapoor, Rakesh Om Prakash, we are making movies, we are making commercials, we are making a lot of other things also with creative, with creativity and technology intersection. So please, please we spend at least an hour and see the work that these,
How can I miss this opportunity?
Yes.
Really, I will come.
Yes.
I will come with my team.
Yes. Yeah, just across. Take turn. We have to just take one turn.
I know. But you make it correctly at last minute.
Thank you. Before you disperse, thank you.
एक पहले गाना था डांस फिल्म, इसका मुझे था इंतजार साहब मैं कर रहा
मैं बहुत खुश
सब
हूँ।
लोग आपको इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
I'm sorry that I made you all wait.
No problem. We have done the formalities. Now you say few words to participants, then everything is over. Correct?
So we've done the introductions, Chetana, and we've gone
I
around
heard
the
you.
table.
Actually, we went to that other building.
Yeah.
And okay.
It's now my privilege to invite Ms. Chetana Patnaik, CHRO LTM, to deliver the keynote address.
I'll give the vote of thanks.
Also is done.
Also is done, huh? But I will.
You say few words. You say never.
I'll say a few words.
This possibility is always there. Correct. Few words. Correct.
Very nice. Thank you. We're all creative now. So, first of all, my apologies for being late. I think it's a significant milestone for LTM. So thank you for partnering with us. We are a continuous learning organization. We have our DNA of L&T, and L&T is, people say jokingly that L&T is nothing but learning and training. And they use it conveniently, sometimes lunch and tea and sometimes learning and training. But most of the time now, for today's purpose, I will use it as learning and training. And that flows in our DNA in LTM as well. And it is so important today when there are so much changes happening around. There is a change in technology, change in customer expectation, change in the way we have been operating till yesterday. In all these amidst changes, what is constant is the talent. And investing behind talent is something which has become more significant than what it was till yesterday. Reason behind is that the talent will only bring that differentiation between a machine and the creativity what you bring onto your piece of work. The team what Sujay leads is nothing but creativity. I'm sure some of you had come to our office and have seen the craft studio as well. It is one of the prized piece of work of LTM. And I think almost every week we have one of the celebrity walking inside our organization because of the reason that everybody is finding that that's the future. And if we have to sustain that momentum of building creativity, reimagining creativity, and redefining the way we have been working till yesterday, while we will develop that at work, but what will be an enabler is the learning what they will get through this intervention. And therefore, congratulations to all of you. You have been carefully chosen by the team. We have a lot of expectations from all of you that you will tone your muscles, which tomorrow's technology, tomorrow's clients are looking forward to. So therefore, this next couple of months for you is going to be very critical. So the courses also, team has put in a lot of their time behind it, that how do we bring in a blend of design to creativity to experience to management as well. So that it's a great opportunity for you to grab the most. But end of the day, when we go back to our work, it will matter the most that how do you build an experience for the client, and in a more creative way, more faster way, and a more a valuable experience what you leave behind them, that they look back at your work and you define the LTM business creativity which aligns with this as well. I think everything is landing at the right time. I'm sure that Sujay would have told that we have just changed our name from LTM Mindtree to LTM. The tagline is that how we are a business creativity partner. So it's landing well, and our effort is that also that this time we have actually kind of given the opportunity to interactive, but our effort is to make it an enterprise level course, so that every year we will bring in our employees from across organization, across capabilities, so that they get benefit out of this. You are the first batch, so there is a lot of expectations from you.
make the most out of it, and wish you all the best. And thank you. And look forward to see you sometime in some of those of our offices. We're all digitally placed, so but still, I look forward to see you and also to get feedback from you about this course. Wherever you think that we need to bring in some more changes, in your inputs are most valuable. Keep sharing with the team. All the best, and thank you for being patient to wait for me, all of you. And sorry once again, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. And as we told them also, again we repeat, देखिए भाई, there is one popular thing for a growth of anybody's individual or organization. आपका new learnings are bound to happen, but there are three popular forms. एक learning by passion. आपके अंदर भी पैशन होना चाहिए कि हमको लर्न करना है. एक होता है लर्निंग बाय परसुएशन, परसुएट करो फिर कुछ जान लो आप. और तीसरा होता है लर्निंग बाय प्रेशर. करेक्ट. सो हियर ना, if you do by first one, it is better. Correct. If you do second one also somewhat tolerable, and last one learning by pressure, then you can imagine that that will not be very what you call
pleasurable experience.
Pleasurable.
Another thing.
Correct. So I think let us have a proper form of learning by passion that will be more good for all of you and all of us also. Ma'am, this is what just I wanted to say.
So nice, sir.
Be in tune with your points.
So nice. Thank you, sir. And I think this is not the first and last time. We'll keep coming. We'll come and she'll spend some more time with you. We'll see what more we can do together. It's just next door, easy for us to walk in here rather than any other IIM.
Ma'am, I think this can be a bridge actually to make our bond more stronger, because today it is the AI-led experiential design, operation design for the organization. Tomorrow it may be something else also. So we are very much excited to have a very workable, very practical, pragmatic relationship with the LTM, and hope that it will be both good for LTM as well as IIM Mumbai.
Sure, look forward to so.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Well, Nana, you have a vote of thanks.
Before that, I think we can just introduce our faculty members for there.
Yes, very quickly we can do this.
Sumi from here.
There is a chair here. Come over. She's mine. Come over. Yeah, she'll manage. Sujay, you'll manage. She'll manage. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Sumi Jha. I'm from Organization Behavior and Human Resource Management area, and I'm Dean for Alumni and International Relations here. Looking forward to taking sessions for you all.
I'm Neeraj Palle. I have a faculty in the marketing area. I'm also a dean of the faculty affairs. I look forward to interaction with you.
Hello, everyone. I am Rajni. I am faculty of analytics.
From marketing. These two frequently go getting better in multi-correction.
Let's be able to come. You can start. Yeah, please. Please.
Hi, everyone. I'm Sanjita. I'm a part of the learning and I am Salka. I'm part of the organization development team and specifically lead culture initiatives and strategic initiatives.
Hi, I'm Mandar Guardian. I look up to talent within practice.
Shreya, I'm part of the interactive practice, work closely with Prof Studio and the practice as a whole.
I would also like to introduce now Shrimoy, our own alum, because she was also, part of it. We were actually discussing about, this particular program. I think she has participated in a number of meetings with us. She also came.
Yeah, she came when we were.
So I just want to acknowledge, her contribution to this program.
Yeah, and she's also a client to us, right? So L'Oreal is a big client for us. So all kinds of relationships are intersecting.
Susan Kutena, I lead leadership development OD and culture for LTM, as they call it.
Again, we have a vote of thanks.
Yes.
Finally. So on behalf of LTM, we would like to thank IIM Mumbai faculty and leadership for your vision, guidance, and partnership in building this program and bringing this to life today. Special thanks to Purnima ma'am and Shirish sir for not just building the program, but also setting the tone for this event and, launching this today, right? I think it's been your insistence that has helped us get to this day. Thanks to Binil sir and Vivek Khanzode sir for your insightful inputs as well. Special thanks to Professor Manoj Tiwari for your insights on how much of AI is embedded in everything that you try to do and what you want to bring to our students. So thank you for that. Thanks to Chetana ma'am, Sujay for setting the tone for what it means for our industry and our company. And to all the out creators out here, thank you for your engagement. Let's get into this program and out create. That's the vision that our company is built on. So
Fantastic.
Here, just to end the whole thing, very well, Chetana ma'am comes from the Odisha. And Odisha is famous for Lord Jagannath. So I just want to end by saying that Jagannath, 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 Tra Imam, Jagannath, 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 Pa Imam. Namaskar.
I also would like to acknowledge, the contribution of Tara and Abhimanyu, because they were the one who were actually doing all the, work at the back end. So thank you so much.
Yes, hello.
Thank you.
Sharvari ma'am, Sharvari and
Maybe Sharvari can't see her.
They are our business HR and they've also helped us curate all the resumes.
It takes a village to build a course like this, right? Your side, we've got learning and development on our side. We've got talent management. We've got people selection. It takes a village to build something like this. So
We had a number of meetings with all of them.
Yeah. Oh, wonderful. We're very happy. We'll make this the best course in India. Actually, this is the only course in India today.
मैं कई लोगों को बोल चुका हूँ, including our secretary also, कि हम कुछ ऐसा करने जा रहे हैं।
हाँ जी।
जो आज तक बाकी कोई
नहीं किया। Correct.
बता चुके हैं।
That's true. That's the purpose.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if things goes now, I think in this course, we will bring some stalwarts of the AI, data science, like Devi, Chintu Devi from MIT.
Absolutely.
Some lectures they will take.
Sure.
One connect if we can do in person.
There's one immersion.
Remember, at least twice in a year.
Twice in
a year.
That will be good.
Yes.
At least let it be for 2-3 days, na? So that physically we can also talk to them.
Yeah.
And also you
They
should
can come and stay in the campus.
Yes, they're staying in the.
शाम को dinner साथ ही लिया जाए ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा.
हाँ जी, वैसे. You're going to stay in the campus.
There are 2 immersions, ma'am, each lasting 1 week. So we'll be staying here from Monday to Friday, and they will interact with the faculty. We will also conduct a test, some of the exams. So they actually get into the mode of.
डराइए मत सर, एग्जाम बहुत हल्का होगा. यही बेस्ड होगा, चैट जीपीटी बेस्ड होगा. Correct.
Thank you all.
Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Do a photograph.
Thank you very much. Thank you.